tugarutse wacu izi ngizi ni filime zahize izindi filime yahize izindi muri filime zica kuri murandasi filime zica muri filime z'ubuhererekane zica kuri murandasi.
You better have a driver ready.
Here we go. The forest. So there you go. Tukomeza kubakira Nyamasheke cyane, two of the most popular actors in Rwandan cinema. They play as husband and wife in a very popular TV series called Ubuzima. And now, muri mabadufasha gutunganya filime abazitugezaho agatuma tuzikunda tubaha urukundo rwinshi cyane. Apoline turamwakiriye cyane, arakoze cyane. Umuvandimwe ukurikiyeho agiye kuza aserukana na madamu. One of the best lead actors we have in Rwanda, also a director, Mr. Willie Ndahiro. Tugiye gukurikizaho director udufasha gutunganya film nyinshi dukunda yitwa badufasha gutunganya film nyarwanda izikinamo kandi n'umuhanga cyane yitwa Mickey. Abakunzi ba tukomeza ariko tunakira Nyamasheke cyane. Arakoze cyane katwakira abakurikiyeho. Jean-Paul Mangita Shafi, mon umugabo cyane. Tukomeze twakira reka twakire uyu mama tukomeza kwakira neza Papa Idi. Reka tukomeza na director Ibra utugezaho Kaga tuzina Mjenzi Meshi aliko tunamuuzi na director wa filme Ishusho ya Papa. Director Ibrahim watunganyije filime nyinshi dukunda harimo irya mukuru tunakomeza kubakira uyu muvandimwe usibye no kuba n'umunyamideli n'umukinnyi wa filime bamwita Rwema tumukunda cyane muri Kalisa wa Kalisa. Tunakomeza kwakira abakinnyi bacu dukunda ndetse n'abatunganya filime. Abangaba ni Tina Nyamasheke cyane. Tunakomeza kwakira abakinnyi bacu mukunda. Uyu ndabizi ko mukunda cyane. Uyu mukobwa yitwa Mireye n'umuzi mu ndoto ndetse na Ndimbati. Tukomeza kwakira cyane Mireye ndetse na Ndimbati. Uyu muvandimwe nawe ni director utunganya turakomeza kubakira kandi turabizi ko mukunda. Uyu mupapa akunzwe na benshi yakinnye muri nyinshi ariko muri iki gihe ari guhitinga muri Bamenya akina uyu mugabo ukurikira n'umugabo w'umuhanga cyane mu kwandika filime mu kuzitunganya yafayita Roshe. Turakomeza kubakira nk'uko tubakunda cyane. Abakurikira mbona bakunda cyane yitwa akina muri filime yitwa Inzira y'umusaraba yitwa Cyusa. N'abamenya wateruye icyuma. Haleluya. umugabo w'umuhanga. Uyu nguyu akina muri filime yitwa Mbara, yitwa Squadra, ariko ari kumwe na Dr. Musabi.
murakoze cyane kubw'impano zanyu kubw'umwanya wanyu mukomerezeho urugendo ni rwizimye.
India, you know they are more than us, so we can't compete. None of us journey is one of shared determination and unrelenting will to succeed. It started with a group of fearless, passionate Nigerians who did the projector cinemas with the likes of late Alberto Bunde and so on and so forth. But the modern cinema, the modern Hollywood, would be credited to a film by Kenneth Wilber called Living in Bondage. I think it's 1990. Blood and undying creativity. Start against it. It's about grabbing the opportunity in front of you and making the most of it and capturing that moment to build and create. I like to say that ideas are given to 1,000 people at the same time. It is who moves. I went to watch a film the other day and I saw a script that my company had commissioned, and I saw this film and I thought, is this not our script? But it did not steal from us. It's not just about dreaming, it is about pursuing those dreams with intensity. Intensity that many people are too loud. You are too much. You walk around your home like you are in our essence of being black. We understand that as black people, we are the origins of this world, that the resources that make your iPhones and entertainment to culture, from natural resources, will come from us. It is that air that we can't even walk around the way. And we just assume that everybody else can. Something was the internet. When the president, our first democratic president, General Olusegun Obasanjo, in 2000, closer. Because now we could reach international markets, we could access YouTube, we could access digital platforms like United the World, and we could sell our content to other platforms beyond Nigeria. Filmmakers, You must start your fire. When we went to the war, like they do in Uganda and other countries that see, they might not be all over the country as you are the leaders and the shapers of your industry. What are you doing?
For the hotels, restaurants, motari n'abandi bagenzi bose, so it's bigger and something that we are trying to encourage. People from the diaspora, they are happy with our Rwandan content, Rwandan history. So aba bagabo rero mufashe abashire tubakomera amashyi.
For the next award, we have the best upcoming actress. Who is the best upcoming actress?
Filme babagore basha kugati bakizamuka turagira ngo turebe batwereke amashusho y'abaribo batandukanye noneho tuze gusaba yuko duhishurirwa wahize abandi.
Let us welcome
Ineza Bernice Kayla.
our representative media project representative to come and give the award. We would like to welcome someone from media project representative to present the award. A representative from media projects to present the award.
Twabonye amashyi menshi cyane Kayla. Congratulations, Kayla.
Congratulations. Up next is the best upcoming actor. Best upcoming actor.
The best upcoming actor is Ruema. Ruema. Congratulations.
Tumwongera amashyi menshi cyane Ruema. Shimimana Yannick. Thank you very much, jury. Thank you. Murakoze cyane. Merci beaucoup. Gracias. Grazie mille. Reka tukomeze, on continue. Let's keep it moving to the next category. And that one is Best TV Series Africa.
Best TV series. Série izindi kuri televiziyo. Dufite trailer y'abari mu irushanwa. Reka tubanze tuyakire tubone kwakira jury itubwire icyo yagendeyeho ihitamo série yahize izindi.
Allez, on va visionner les séries au niveau de l'Afrique.
Okay, so the winner is to receive the award you have representative from Sony and Camera Africa to present the award, please. Musiguzi
wacu turashaka kumenya the best actor
TV series. Best actor
TV series. Umukinnyi wahize abandi mu bagabo bakina muri filime z'uruhererekane.
Yes, and the award will be presented by the UN Resident Coordinator. UN Resident Coordinator, please make a way to present the award of the winner.
And we are seeing here on the screen the different nominees.
The nominees on screen, we will have the winner shortly.
To go.
Best actor TV series is Amanda.
Congratulations once again for the best actor TV series, Mamenya. So for every best actor, the counterpart is the best actress. And we're about to find
Congratulations, bro. Congratulations. Félicitations, Jack.
Now,
What is the next?
the best actress.
For the best actress is the one TV series. Who is she?
She is unfortunately not available, so he's going to accept the award on her behalf.
Maybe I should have taken the award on behalf of Tessie just for some gender balance situation.
I know,
going
huh?
on, eh?
We
But
should have
we'll
been
swiftly move on
Yes.
because one is the fact she remains the winner of the Best Actress of Easy Watch TV series. Tessie, congratulations. We wish you a speedy recovery.
Absolutely.
Now, on to the next.
So the best short film,
Best short film.
Africa.
Yes, we will welcome the jury for this special category to come and give us a few comments. The award, we would like to kindly request Mr. William Adebola. We kindly request your attention and your presence to deliver the award to the winner. If there is a trailer, please play it. Other than that, drum rolls for who the winner is. Welcome.
Nous avons une vidéo, il y a Lifetime Achievement Award, toi et Kina.
Well, this is a man's name. And the winner is Uwamahoro Antoinette.
Uwamahoro Antoinette. It's a lady's name. I know, but okay.
That's a beautiful, that's a powerful name.
The winner is... We're about to find out. I hope it's not a female name on that paper.
And the winner is Winnie Tahiro.
Congratulations, Mr. Winnie Tahiro. Akaba ariwe ubuzima muri iziwacu Lifetime Achievement Awards.
Kuri filime z'uruhererekane zica kuri televiziyo noneho tugiye guha kutanga igihembo kuzica kuri internet mudasobwa murandasi.
And the winner is Kinaman.
Best actor in a web series, Uziwachu.
Congratulations, thank you so much.
Aha, ku ruhande rw'abagabo, reka noneho tunyarukire ku ruhande rw'abagore.
Best Actress Web Series cyangwa se umukinnyi w'umugore muri seri zica kuri murandasi ninde wagize abandi. For the presentation of the award of the Best Actress in the Web Series Iziwacu category.
Iki gihembo cy'abakinnyi b'abagore bahize abandi muri seri zica kuri murandasi filime z'ubuhererekane. Okurenya wasiga fina Mirafasha Sandina Wino Musanga Mirakoze Misa Uwamahoro Otuwaneta Mutoni Masinatia Kesa Linda. Alright, Amanisha Mandela Ngababonye Best Actress Web Series, and the winner is Vanessa Iradikuna. Uzima Maya. Vanessa Iradikuna.
But the great work is done by the directors themselves. So, in the Easy Watch category, who is the best director? To present the award
right here in Rwanda.
Who is the best director for the web series?
And the winner is bahasiga.
Congratulations! We have celebrated the best director in the web series, but you also know we have the TV series category. So who is the best director in the Easy One 2 for the TV series? To present the award, we would like to welcome the
twabakingirije yadusanga kubabona neza abagabo aribo batunganya n'abayobozi ba za filime zitajica kuri televiziyo muri filime z'iwacu iz'uruhererekane. Best director is Iwacu TV series and the winner is
The winner is
Milita Roger. We have done web series, we have done actors, directors. Now, on to the best feature film. The best feature film. Nyamasheke, reka tusabe CEO na madam baze badufashe gutanga igihembo no kudusobanurira icyagendeweho.
Mr. Mugisha Emmanuel Clapton Kubonge. a team twaricaye turavuga ninde mu dukunda cyangwa se inshuti yacu ariko bose turabakunda ariko tuza guhitamo Clapton. That's why you saw him on the festival trailer as we are celebrating the 10th anniversary. Manzi rero nta yindi mpamvu niyongeyeho gusa bose turabakunda uri gukura kandi
ntabwo nabona ikintu mvuganye ndatunguwe gusa kuvuga ngo nta igihembo cy'umuntu abantu bateguye ibintu byose cyangwa fesitivali ikomeye gutya mukampa igihembo cy'ukuntu mwamunze ni ukuri ariko sinzi Imana yashyizeho amavuta yo gukunda ndashima Imana yuko ikintu cyose ngiyemo irimo icyo gikundo niyo nsenga nsenga Imana ngo iyi gikundo irimubona rero n'ibi bintu byo Imana ikorera ni icyari mugisha Imana ibamugisha.
Tugarutse ku z'iwacu, izi ngizi ni filime zahize izindi, filime yahize izindi muri filime zica kuri murandasi, filime zica kuri filime z'ubuhererekane zica kuri murandasi.
You better have a driver ready.
The winner is the forest. Hallelujah. Kinaman baragushaka hano, Kinaman baragushaka hano. Maze rero biwanjye n'umuterankunga wari n'ikindi gihembo bagufitiye reka babyitegere.
Twe tunganya biwanjye ikinyobwa cyiza cyane muri iki gihugu, so twemerere twekane.
I really appreciate Nyamasheke cyane. Every day I used to go in that forest. I don't know. Thank you, Nyamasheke. Where is that CEO? Where is CEO? Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. You guys. You know, they used to call me game changer because of the movie I bring out. So, Nyamasheke cyane, ndashimira Kinaman, ndashimira umuntu wari wese wajanga witabiriye, ariko this guy is not Here nize amategeko, neither though. Was not accepted, like, now when I used to go so but this guy changed my whatever, my journey. He's the one who told me that you can do it. And he told, like, everything. So now people, they are calling me game changer because of this guy. I want to appreciate him in front of you. Thank you.
Fata igihembo cyawe ntiwibagirwe n'iyo karito wisangire n'abo bantu bose batubwiye.
Congratulations once again to the best film web series, The Forest.
Surely not the least. La dernière récompense de la soirée, une soirée qui a été très fructueuse et pleine d'émotions.
Sûrement. We are going for the best film TV award to present the award of the best film TV series.
Abahagarariye Kigali Smart Solution ndetse na Taka Design reka tubasabe mugejuru mutera intambwe mudusanga hari imbere kugira ngo mudufashe gutanga igihembo cya Best Film TV Series Muzi Wacu. Guys, we are very, very appreciative of all our sponsors. Thank you so much for your support, for your love and your love of movies. Come on over, guys.
Congratulations to the best film TV series.
Kalisa. Abatiwe muri Kigali Smart Solution na Taka Design. Badufashe mu gutanga igihembo. Mwese ni karibu. Congratulations.